Actually, I think I got privy to this information in. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to my video again. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 things I wish I knew before becoming an attorney. Okay, let's get to it, like right into it. Number 1, it is a lot of hard work, guys. Being an attorney is a stressful and anxiety-induced work environment. There's a lot of pressure. You write a lot, you read a lot, you have to research a lot, you have to constantly take a lot of notes. And it's a lot. Even the admission process on its own is it's a lot. It's a whole process. It's long and it's emotionally taxing. It's a challenging field. You can never say you know the law, like you know everything, because it changes. It is dynamic. It keeps on changing constantly. So yeah, one thing I didn't know was that it was gonna be this much hard work. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, most attorneys actually, contrary to popular belief, they don't earn a lot of money. Trust me, a lot of attorneys don't earn a lot of money, but there is definitely potential to become a millionaire or even more, and there's definitely potential to earn a lot of money. But it takes persistence and perseverance. And in this field, I've learned that it takes money to make money. And patience and persistence is the key. And there are heavy levies that you have to pay to the LPC. So every year you are indebted to the LPC for yearly levies, and they are not cheap. You constantly have to pay for the costs of, running your firm if you have a firm. Number 3, you never stop learning. Cases are not always in black and white. There are several, I always say cases are several shades of gray. Sometimes a case tests you and your knowledge. Sometimes you get it right, sometimes you miss, and most of the time, if not always, you learn something. You can never figure everything out about the law. You just have to learn as you go. At times, there are ever-changing laws. Law is a dynamic field. There are lots to do. There's a lot to read on. So you must just learn to adapt and quick. You must adapt, like you must be versatile in this field. You cannot rely on knowledge you knew previously. You must keep on changing yourself. Everything is learnable. That's what I learned as well. And you are not expected to know everything law related, because you're constantly, as I've been saying, you're constantly learning in this field. Another point, this is point number 4, you guys. It's not the same as it is depicted in the movies, hey. Practicing law in reality is definitely not the same as how you'd see it being done on TV. Most of the work is done in the office as opposed to the courtroom. There are no grand performances in court. You won't win every case, and it's not as glamorous as people think it is. It's not as glamorous as, these movies or these series make it out to be. It's actually, now that I think about it, it could be a bit boring, because most of the time, honestly, you're taking notes, you're reading, you're constantly drafting. There's a lot of paperwork, like we drown in paperwork, guys. We are not always in court. We are barely in court, in fact, because with attorneys, most of the time, they brief advocates to go to high court for them on behalf of their clients. And honestly, it doesn't really last that long, especially if you're going to do like motion court proceedings and not a trial. So it's not as grandeur as TV has made it out to be. Number 5, accounting plays a huge role with law. Honestly, bookkeeping. I mean, if you studied commerce in high school, you won't go wrong with the law. Trust me, because bookkeeping/accounting plays a huge role. You'll draw invoices, which are your own bills. Every time you do work, you have to draw bills. Every time you do work for a client, you have to account for the work in trust. You have to open a trust account. You have to keep a trust account. You have to pass one of the 4 board exams, which is bookkeeping. You have to pass it. Even if you start running your own law firm, you have to do a PMT. A PMT has bookkeeping. Like, there's a lot of accounting in this profession, contrary to popular belief, but there's a lot of history. It's not a lot of history, it's a lot of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a large part of law. It is incorporated in your board exams, in PMT. There are yearly audits. You have to be in the known with your numbers. You have to be careful. You have to tread lightly when numbers are concerned. So you have to know your numbers. You have to account for your fees, for your clients' monies. It's a very important aspect. So those are the 5 things I wish I knew before becoming an attorney. I don't know, maybe it would have helped if someone had told me all of these before, so that I'd make an informed decision. But otherwise, no regrets. We are in this and we are going for it, and we are going to be successful one day. This list is definitely in no particular order. I just went along with it. I just numbered it. There's no superior point or less superior point. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative, eye-opening, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Till next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So to growing together. Till next time, bye-bye.